What up, squad? All right, y'all, so be honest with me real quick. How many of you guys out there, you spent your hard-earned money, you bought a robot vacuum, you thought it was gonna change your life, and then you watched it get stuck on a rug, or it skipped the edges, or it left your mop pad just absolutely disgusting? Yeah. Your boy has been there, all right? Well, today, man, I'm looking at the robot here that Dreame has built to be able to fix all of that, all right? Now, this right here, y'all, is the flagship of their entire L60 lineup, where you guys have the L60 Pro Ultra, the L60 Ultra, the L60 Ultra PE, and the L60 Ultra FE. I got it right, all right? But when it comes to the L60 Pro Ultra here, man, you're getting the flagship X50 level specs, and I'm telling y'all, bro, it is loaded. Here's everything you guys need to know about it and why I feel like you need it. Let's talk about it. Now, right here out of the box, man, you guys are getting the L60 Pro Ultra itself. You're getting the 8-in-1 power dock base station, as well as all of the accessories that I feel like you guys need, which again is just part of the reason why I feel like you should get this. So let's go ahead and get into that first thing. Now, the first thing that I noticed here was the robot in itself looks very different from every other robot vacuum that I've personally reviewed here on the channel. Now, there's a 3.46-inch Pro Leaf system up front here that immediately tells you this thing right here is built to handle real homes with real obstacles, all right? Now, the build quality here, in my opinion, it felt premium throughout it, as well as when it comes to the power dock base station, it's also doing a lot because we're talking about auto emptying, we're talking about auto mop washing, auto refill, auto drying, and a whole lot more, all in this one single unit. So when it comes to the first impressions, I can't lie, bro, they were strong, all right? Now, let's go ahead and get into, in my opinion, what makes this thing flagship. Okay, so the hero feature of the L60 Pro Ultra, and this is my opinion what really separates it from every other robot in the L60 lineup, all right? It's the three-part movement system working together. Now, the first is the 3.46-inch Pro Leaf system that I mentioned. That's a front-mounted lifting mechanism that raises the robot up and over obstacles that would completely stop other robots just cold in its track. And this goes for door thresholds, thick rugs, charging cables. The Pro Ultra just climbs immediately right over it. Second is the triple wheel Agi-Lift chassis, which is a 3-wheel drive that's going to give it stability as well as traction to be able to move over any surface. And third is the VersaLift navigation, which intelligently manages the robot's height as well as the clearance as it moves between different floor types. This means no getting stuck, no rescue missions or anything like that. This is the movement system that is built for larger homes as well as complex layouts. All right, y'all, so key feature number one, and this is the cleaning performance. And when it comes to the numbers, this is flagship level across the board. Now, the L60 Pro Ultra runs a 35,000 PA Vormax suction, and this is serious for pulling pet hair out of the carpets or floors, fine dust, as well as debris in all corners. Now, it also has the Hyperstream Detangling Dual Brush, which pulls hair and debris apart before it wraps around the brush, which means this is going to give you way less maintenance that you guys have to tend to. Then when it comes to mopping, this just isn't a damp pad that's just dragging across your floor. The Pro Ultra does dual Omni Scrub mopping with hot water, which means the mop pads are actively scrubbing in both directions with heated water, picking up dried on stains as well as grime that just regularly, wet mops would just push around. The thermal mop pads keep that heat consistent throughout the cleaning cycle. For anyone with hard floors, you understand what this means. The mopping system is genuinely impressive, all right? Now, major reason to get this number two, all right? And this one is about what happens after the robot finishes cleaning, because that's where a lot of robot vacuums just completely fall apart. The L60 Pro Ultra, man, docks into an 8-in-1 power dock, which handles everything automatically. It has the thermal hub, which is 100 degrees Celsius mop self-cleaning feature, which is a big one, or 212 degrees Fahrenheit for all of my conversion nerds that are out there. Now, when it comes to the base station, it washes the mop pads with 212 degrees of hot water, which kills bacteria and actually gets the pads genuinely clean instead of just rinsing them and then just going on about its day. Then it hot air dries them, so there's no mildew smell, which I've definitely had some ones that will have a mildew smell, so it's good to know that this one doesn't. And then it has the Ace Clean Dry Board, which reduces residue buildup in the docking station itself, and the dual solution compartment, which keeps the clean water as well as the cleaning solution completely separate. And then when it comes to the battery, because we got to talk about it, this is the industry-leading 6400 milliamp hour power core battery, which means fewer mid-clean recharges on large floors, which is, appreciated. This base station, man, I'm telling you, man, it does more than most people's entire cleaning routine. Now, major reason to get this one here, number 3. Smart decision making on the fly. The L60 Pro Ultra runs upgraded pet-friendly care 4.0, which means the obstacle avoidance AI has been specifically trained to recognize pet-related messes as well as objects, food bowls, toys, cables, and yes, the actual pets themselves. And it handles it actually pretty good without you having to set up 100 no-go zones, all right? Then there's upgraded intelligent carpet cleaning. Now, in my home, I don't personally have carpet, so I can't necessarily show this, but when it does detect carpet, it automatically boosts suction, adjusts the mop lift height, so this way the wet pad doesn't just drag across your carpet, and it adapts cleaning pattern for deeper fiber cleaning. It makes real-time decisions about your floor types without you touching the app, if that makes sense. And this is the kind of intelligence that actually makes daily life easier. All right, so major reason to get this number 4 is control, all right? And the Pro Ultra gives you all of it. It has direct voice control that works natively, meaning that there's no hub required, there's no workarounds. You literally just tell it to start, you can tell it to stop or go clean a specific room or just head back to the docking station. The app here, man, it gives you a full map management. You can set room specific schedules, create no-go zones, adjust suction and mop intensity per room, and you can monitor cleaning progress live. You can also set specific cleaning frequencies for different areas, so the kitchen gets cleaned daily and the guest room gets cleaned weekly, all automated. So for a smart home setup, man, this level of control integration is exactly what you want from a flagship level product. So real quick, man, so I know you guys are wondering out there, well, CKid, who is this device here actually for? I'd say, man, if you guys have a medium to large size home with multiple floor types, thick rugs, door thresholds, or pets, the Pro Leap chassis as well as the Pet-Friendly Care 4.0 just makes this 100% the way to go. And if you truly want hands-off maintenance where the dock handles everything, including hot water mop washing, this robot here is 100% for you. Now, if you guys are a tech person who wants flagship level specs as well as the deepest smart home integration, the Pro Ultra, man, is no question the way to go. Now, if you guys are comparing it to the other L60 models like the Ultra PE, the Ultra, as well as the Ultra FE, the Pro Ultra is the only one with the Pro Leap obstacle crossing, the triple wheel Agi lift chassis, the VersaLift navigation, the hot water mopping, and the 6400 milliamp hour battery, all in a single package. It's the top of the line, all right? It's the creme de la creme, and it earns it, all right? So if you guys ready to stop rescuing your robot vacuum and start actually trusting it, then I'll have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to pick one up for yourself or just tell another friend about it. Also, man, gotta send a huge shout out to my friends over at Dreame, man, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.